Asia, you get another solo. The name of your solo is Ready for War. Rosie the Riveter. Say that.
Rosie the Riveter.
Do you know who that is?
Yeah, she's gonna be Rosie the Riveter.
Rose the what?
Rosie the Riveter. You know, the girl from war ads?
So you need to be strong. Give me the arm. Woo! Look at that. Asia is doing a hot, sassy jazz routine. It's called Ready for War, and it's based on the character Rosie the Riveter. I think Asia, she could have been Rosie the Riveter. She is one tough cookie.